Hey guys, I have been using this Wall Pilates for Seniors book for the past 3 weeks, and I wanted to give you a quick update on how I'm finding the book so far. Okay, in chapter 5, they have a 28-day, 10-minute Wall Pilates challenge, and it has a list of a couple of exercises that you could do in 10 minutes a day. It also has this handy dandy QR code that'll pull up all of the exercises in the challenge for you. And they've done something super sneaky here. Each week builds on the next. Like, you don't even realize that you're getting stronger until you think, oh, wait a minute, was I able to hold that pose for a whole minute? It's really crazy. So the other thing that I love is that each exercise has clear drawings of what to do and also nice large font. It also includes some mistakes to avoid so that you can be sure that you're doing the exercises right. And here's the awesome part. You can easily pull up a video of the exercise by using the QR codes. So a video of how to do each exercise is always at your fingertips. So since starting this book, my back doesn't scream at me as much in the morning anymore. I can reach higher shelves without making weird noises as much. I definitely see improvements in my strength and also my balance and coordination. Yeah, if you've been on the fence about trying this book, trust me, your future self will be so grateful that you gave it a shot.